Oh my gosh. I don't think those are yours.
Happens to Sockatroids.
Chad, don't put them on the floor. Oh my god.
Thank you. Can I take these?
Let's not mess up Bubba's.
What happened? Ah!
Oh my gosh,
Let's see what
Christmas.
this is.
Oh.
Bananas over mommy.
Are those little sizes?
Yeah, this is 3 months.
Just like, all right, what else is in here?
What else you got, Chad?
Not yours, also, son.
Oh, this is cute.
That is cute.
Hey.
Chatty, let's find something for Chad Dillon in there. Oh my god. Chad, no. Just. Hey, look, come here, bub. Chatty, come here to mama. This is not yours. Oh, look at that soft blankie. This is, however, not yours either.
Towels.
Oh.
Or little.
Receiving blankets,
Yeah.
you mean?
No, chili.
Chatty, look what that says. Chad Dillon. Show him this. This is actually his, and he
Chad,
can
look.
chew on it and play with it.
Look. Look at that. That says Chad. Yeah.
Right into the mouth.